Hi to everybody. At last I managed to come to my place after long time. I was sick and I was in hospital, and now I'm a little bit better, and I decided start playing with the gold. So I got some memory cards. I cut all those fingers with the gold and I try to recover this gold. So let's see how everything works. I need to remember how to do this everything, because in that long time I forgot. So first what I do, I adding some water in this, and then we be putting some nitric acid. I got some nitric acid. That's exactly for this kind of things, to dissolve this stuff. Okay, this is stannous chloride I'm making. Some little bit. This water, make a little bit heat. And let's go. Some putting nitric acid. Let's reaction go. Let's put 200 milliliters and let them work. No need put a lot because it's everything runs away. So we need to dissolve copper and all useless metals what we don't need it. And then in solution stays just gold flakes, which ones we use aqua regia to recover. Okay, so let him get warm. And start reaction. Is still cold outside, is cold. I'm doing everything outside. Don't want to do nothing inside. Maybe add a little bit more to make reaction faster. Okay, reaction started. Nitric acid eats the copper. So my plans is work with microscopic gold, try to figure out how to recover that. So I'll be going to the river sand and try to collect some samples and try to see how I can see that invisible microscopic gold, which one I think is a lot more than regular visible gold, because all gold is very small and mostly microscopic, and where that microscopic gold goes so far is not disappearing, but is somewhere sitting in the sand, I'm thinking. So we need to figure out how to recover that gold from that sand. Okay, so let this reaction work, and I come in another few minutes and we'll see how everything going. Reaction started and something is dissolving, and 6 milliliters is nitric acid in this solution. So let's see how everything works. And when reaction stops, gold supposed to be separated from those gold plated fingers, memory cards, and we'll see how everything works. Need to remember, I forgot everything. Okay, solution like boiling, but I'm using minimum heat, and I already see gold flakes swimming in solution. So maybe I need little bit more added, but it's good reaction right now. Let him work, then if stops, then I add more nitric acid. But right now I see no need, because still working. You see that everything like boiling, but heat is on minimum, just barely 1. So let him work for a while. When reaction stops, I add a little bit more nitric acid. So I already put like 6 milliliters. So I need to put another maybe 3 milliliters. I work with minimum what we can, and reaction slowing down, so everything okay. Let's add another like 3 milliliters. Reaction right away jump. Let's put 3 and see what's happening. Okay, 3 be enough, I think. Reaction little bit slowing down. Flakes of gold is coming from fingers. I think I need to add a little bit more nitric. So let's add another 3 milliliters of nitric acid. It's already total about 12 milliliters. And I add water a little bit. And we'll see how everything works. What we see, added nitric acid, right away reaction started bigger. So we work slowly, we don't need to put a lot of nitric in this to dissolve those copper and what else there can be. This everything, see, fingers already coming out. I spent like 12 milliliters of nitric acid. Okay, but they're still sitting. Some of them already almost came out. So let's put heat, little heat. It's like everything came out. This is very little amount of gold, so I'm not expecting nothing. I just try to remember how to do the work. And this is be our gold recover, the first after 4 months, and we'll see how everything works. So now I'm taking off. All gold is in the bottom, you see all those flakes. They're still working, maybe no working. So now I need to filtrate this, wash it, and use aqua regia to recover. You see, all fingers, those little flakes of gold is gone. So good. Let's decant this solution and start working. Some water, and now I diluted this solution. All gold settles down on the bottom. Then I decanted this green copper solution and put aqua regia. Okay, and decided to do a little bit different way. Just wait till all gold settles down, and that way we recover it. Okay, see, it's fast. Gold goes down very fast. Okay. So I decant it, wash it. So right now those gold flakes is ready for aqua regia. So let him settle down, this one solution. And I decanted this green stuff. It's a copper and something else. Here a little bit first wash. It's still some kind of white, and here very little left. So gold settles down, and we be using aqua regia to dissolve the gold, and almost nothing swimming. Let him a few seconds to stay and decant it. Okay, Maybe some little microscopic gold comes out, but it doesn't matter. So I got this much gold flakes, which ones I use aqua regia to dissolve it. I finished washing that gold. You see, this is on the bottom how much it shines like very nicely. But this is very little amount of gold, so I don't want to not even play with this too much. So I'll be putting right now hydrochloric acid and some very few drops of nitric acid to dissolve this gold, and we just take aqua regia and dissolve this everything what is, and then precipitate. Okay, but I need to make very little amount of chemicals because this is very little amount of gold. And see what we get. Some hydrochloric acid, just barely to cover those IC chips, that gold. Okay, and now I'm putting on the heat, and I be adding 3 milliliters of nitric acid. I think that makes all gold dissolve. Okay, you see right away what's going on. So I put a heat a little bit and let him cook till everything dissolves. Action going. Gold almost looks like is dissolved. So let finish. Need to filtrate that solution and we can do precipitation. Okay, this is very little amount of gold, so no problem. You see how fast? It's like 2-3 minutes all gold is gone, because gold is very small. And like you see, I decanted solution little bit green. Here is everything clean. I wash it with the water and put all solution in here. So now I get rid of this junk and decided to filtrate that green solution and precipitate with stannous chloride. Okay, and I want to see how much gold can be recovered from those little amount of fingers. Okay, we'll see. This is like 50 milliliters solution, and I'll be adding stannous chloride to precipitate. Okay, I decided work with stannous chloride, precipitate the gold, and then dissolve again in aqua regia and use SMB to get a clean gold. Okay, this is right now still dirted, so no worth wasting that stannous chloride. Okay, I got a little bit like 60 milliliters, and this is my fresh made stannous chloride. So let's see what kind of stuff I get it. Okay, just everything became dark brown. It means we have gold, but like I see bubbles coming. I forgot to put urea, guys. Oh, that is the worst part of this business. Forget to kill the nitric. No, I'll see what's happened. So let him stay, coagulate and fall down on the bottom. Then I decanted this top solution, and we have actually clean gold actually. And which one we one more time dissolve it with aqua regia, and then we get clean gold. Okay. That's like 1 hour and everything settles down. Gold is in the bottom, like you see, very little amount. And this is black one, it's a gold. So right now I filtrating, catching all golden on the filter, and then I just melt it with microwave. that be faster after we do refining, and decided that way. I need to catch that all gold, so I do the filtration. Okay, and this is, like you see, gold is on the bottom. To catch him, you need to filtrate. Okay, and everything settles down on the filter, and then we just smelt it. It's very little amount of gold, so I'll be using another piece of gold to smelt it. This is like 6 grams of gold, and I'll be smelting. To smelt that gold, I'll be using another gold. It's 6 grams, like you see, 6 grams, and I'll be dissolving, smelting this gold to recover my little pieces of gold what is in here. Okay. Okay, 8 minutes has passed. Let's take it out and see what we got. Okay. Everything. Ooh, this looks like hot. Okay. Looks like very nice little piece of gold. Some borax. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we got. Looks like not bad. Let's cool down a little bit. Okay. What we got? This is results. Keep in mind that 6 grams was already there. So let's see how much we got. Nice. Six, 34, 39, and 3. So almost 400 milligrams. Ah, not bad. Not bad. From 1 kilo of those memory card fingers, I got 388 milligrams. Not bad. Okay.